Yes, so today I'll be showing you guys how to download Tor to use it to browse um, the deep web. So as you can see, you come to Tor project. Make sure you get it from Tor project. Don't grab it from no different link. Come to Tor project, download, click on Tor, download, and then bring it to this page. So you find if you using Windows, you look for your Windows project, which is right to the bottom somewhere right here. So if you're using your Windows, you're not using Linux, you can download Windows right here, which is right, and Mac is also right on the screen. I'm using Linux, 64-bit, so like you can see, I already grabbed the file, which is the store. So I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to extract it to my desktops, and so it'll be more easier um, to grab when I'm done. So now we got the 12 browsers installed. Let me close some of this. I close some of this as well. So we got the you got the 12 browsers um, on the desktop. So I'm just gonna slide through in there, be more easier. So now we got the 12 browser. We start the application. We start the browser. We connect to it. You can configure your browser if you want by setting up privacies. If your ISP blocking your is 12 service, you can come back and configure it. Like you can see, we in the deep web within the 12 browser, and check your configuration. I'm gonna go ahead and set mine to medium low because you can see the HTML5 videos and audio medium become click to play via non-scripts. But the more you go up, the more you see more settings, more security settings become higher. You can set it to I if you want. It depends what you're looking for, what you're browsing for in the deep web. I advise you to not go as deep as possible. Just go in, just browse around, get some few information how to do whatever that you're really doing or whatever you're really studying about, because the deep web's got a lot of information. 96% of the information on the internet is located in the deep web. So I'm just gonna say mine as medium low. Click OK. Um, like you can see, it's open security settings. So you got the security setting as well. You said don't record browsing history. Mostly Tor do not record your browser history. Do not record. You can't do no bookmark. Because after you restart a Tor, you can always have a different, um, basically a different IP address or a different browsing settings. So it don't really save any information pertaining your history or your browsing uh, or your bookmark. So you can go through this as well and see which one you feel comfortable with. I leave all checked as a precaution entering the deep web. So click OK. Now we have let's text our so this is my IP address. I'm not gonna show my IP address, so but we're gonna test the 12 settings and see how it works. So you say congratulations, the browser's configured to use tools. So this is my IP address, which is not really my IP address, but it's different IP address is being provided. So as now you got your setting confirmed that it's configured to use tool settings, then you can browse the deep web. So the quickest way to get to the deep web, since I've been working with going to the deep web, is to go to 80 Wiki. 80 Wiki is one of the it's like a it's like an index of different websites that you can use to get to the deep web. Different websites for the deep web. Some works, some did not work. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into 80 Wiki. So you go to 80 Wiki, and also for more information, I use DuckDuckGo for my browsing for my Tor browsing settings to browse the deep web. I'm using DuckDuckGo. Like you can see, it's been already configured. I already did the proxy change. Um, the proxy change in earlier before I started this Tor setting. So I'm not even gonna do that. I already did the pricing settings, so you can if you know how to do the pricing change, you do your pricing settings and make sure you got your DNS. It's not broadcasting. It provided the different DNS by doing a DNS link test and see if your IP address is not being broadcasted on your DNS server. So this is the Aiden Wiki. So just look for which one you feel comfortable. I advise you to click on maybe a few of them and see which one have the most updated sites. Um, this one said 2017 leaks, and we're not even in 2017. You have different wiki link. This is the onion URL directory. So let's click on that and see what it bring out. So the settings is telling me because of the previous settings we did in the Tor network settings, which is the privacies and stuff like that. You see, tell me some in browsing from France, Netherlands, United Kingdom, internet. See, that's how you bouncing me off the privacy. So now you got the deep web on your directory up here in this location. So some might work. Let's try somewhere. Let's try different wiki link, hidden wiki, and see which one is more. We can find more up to date index. So sometimes the price tool take forever to browse. Like you can see, it take a little bit of time to go through the process of showing what you really need. Let's try the first one and see which one it bring up. Okay, so you have the browser on your link, blah 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 blah. Um, so you have few sites that you can browse in. Like you got an aiding service list and search engine, which is the DuckDuck search. I got that already, but they also have the onion. They have the deep web address as well. Let's click on it and see. Okay, like you can see, you have the DuckDuckGo search engine in the deep web, but like you can see, this is the deep web address, which is onion's extension. So that you can know exactly in the deep web when you see this onion extension and all these various characters that you can't understand. But that's what I explained. That's what the difference between the ClearNet and the deep web. They always have different address. The characters is really something that you cannot really understand. So, seeing this is DuckDuckGo on your address site, and we will get out for them, come back and see if we can find some different website that we can go through in the deep web. I advise you to just go through. Sometimes you have bitcoins. To buy anything in the deep web, you have to have a bitcoins. Um, Mostly the bitcoins is just a deep web currency exchange form. You got the market finance, you got 12 project media, you got let's check out the 12 market board, market forum if it still functional. Most of the link you see the site is down for maintenance, but you can click on this site and see if this site will function, which is also an onion extension as well. So so now you see you have different I mean it brought you to the same location earlier that was sitting. It's the same. It's the same. So let's go back to the previous one. Let's go back to the previous one. So you have toy girls. I advise you to be careful what you really doing when it comes to the deep web. There's a lot of stuff in there. You got the marketplace where you said drugs, what it said guns. Um, I mean whatever you're really looking for, assassination. I mean like it's deep web is so deep. It's it's scary sometimes to browse most of these forums. Sometimes you just gotta know exactly where you're going, what you're looking for, how to get there, how to get out. If you're doing anything illegally in the deep web, I advise you to use a lot of security settings, a lot of deep privacy. Don't don't try to go to the deep web and be naked and trying to buy some stuff or trying to do something illegal. There's a lot of people that know how to do a lot of stuff in the deep web. I mean, the deep web is huge. The internet is huge. The information on the internet is crazy. Um, I can't. I mean, sometimes I be very cautious how I come to the deep web as well. I don't come in here as often as possible, but I do come here once in a while to check out some scripts, some different information pertaining to Liken, some toolkits. If you want to get some toolkits to arc missions and whatever information you're trying to do, make sure you come in the deep web and be careful how you browse the deep web. Okay, we've seen this is taking a little bit longer than it's expected, so we're gonna click on off that. And we're going to find. I'm trying to take you that guys to the marketplace that was in previously, and it's also you can get email as well. You can get anonymous email. They're trying to see if we can set up an email address in the toolbox. I forgot my login screen information. So you got a toolbox where you can just sign up for email service. You can click sign up. Let's click sign up and see. So you see, click sign up. You just asking for a few information, your nickname, your email address, how your email address gonna be. So let's say I want to create an email address. Let me create an email address. Quincy. Let's say my with Quincy J. So Quincy J at 2 box 3 union 6 blah 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 onion.com. So if you create it, you can create a password. So let's create a password. So you create a password. It asks you to verify the password like Google or Yahoo account. So I have mailbox. You see. So you already created an account. So you Quincy J at 12 box 3 UIOT 6 WCHZ owner correctly created. So now you go to the web mail. You want to send an email to somebody. You enter the information in it. Quincy Jackson. Quincy J. Put your password in. So now I'm in a square mail 1.422. So I'm in a deep web email. Um, my folder's empty. So this is how you create an email. It's very easy. So if I want to talk to somebody out of town on a business level or whatever information I want to send, I can get them my PO my mail account in the deep web, which is the onion address that you guys can see right on top of this tab box. So that's the toolbars. Blah blah blah. Quincy, you come in and you already set up. You can set the email. You can sign back out. I'm not NSA or any intelligent agent, blah blah blah. Do just information. So, so if you can read this on top, you can understand what I'm doing at this moment. So, let's go back to 80 wiki. So you have Akin, Salt, Brennan Acker. Let's see if that works. It works. So you see, you can rent an Akka. You can come in and rent an Akka social engineering skills, where you have technical skills where you can write Apache, SQL, PHP, HTML. The HTML is web for web browsing, of course. Um, Prices varies, so you can rent an Akka to add people information. So you see small job like email, Facebook, etc. Akka is 200 EU. So it's 3.359 in Bitcoins. So medium large job running people espionage website icon is 500, which is 0.89. So sometimes you just come up, you can find whatever you want in deep web. You see now you have exotic 18, where you have erotic eye candy. Those are private areas for girls. In poems, erotic jailbait. Um, you see share pages. I'm trying to find. You go to the dustbin where you have a lot of people information, which is the page bin. Let's click on it and see. It's not working. So that's not working, as you can see. I have a few websites that I wrote down, trying to show you guys some info on some internet forum. I believe it's going to be in this area as well, where you can. There's a lot of. Okay, yeah, go right there. Inter Exchange Forum. So 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 this is another area for discussion as well. You can have science. You can have science. You can have science. Um, Physical and mental health, conspiracy theories. You can have science and mathematics, software hacking. Let's click on software hacking. I signed up before a long time ago. I forgot what's my information, but it's not that difficult as long as you have the email address. You can use the email address I just created in a deep web as well to open account in here as well. So that would be more easier. So let's try to sign up. Let me try to sign up with this as well. Uh, Okay, so you see, you can come in. You see, Liken, Iron Arcos, WordPress, Liken, keylogs, and multiple laptop, camera filters, fuzzy logging, cracking iPhones, Apple passcode, RC, RTE, RC, Internet Explorer tools, free coding, AutoArc, dead delete, Nelson 5S net onto, which is mostly for Kali Linux. You got a net onto phone. You can install Kali Linux on there as well. They show you how to do that as well in the deep web. You got a SQL injection, spoofing the phone, free SSH, tenant scanner. You know what I mean? It's all kinds of stuff in the deep web. It's not just criminal stuff. You can learn so much coming to the deep web as a computer, as a technician, as a programmer, as anybody who interested in getting information. So let's go ahead and click on one of these forums and see what they're talking about. Let's go and click on Kali Linux, no detecting the wireless network. That's easy. Anybody who's working with Kali, they know how to solve um, the wireless network. All you have to do just grab the extended package for Visual Box. Um, let me try to see if I can pattern box on your DDO direct DDoS attack, the website crawling. You know what I'm saying? So you get the website crawling. I mean, you got so many things that you can do. You can look for unlocking iPhone 6. Let's click on that. So you see, now you have to sign in. And so I have an iPhone 6, which is so. I mean, people coming here. It's been a year since you have somebody come and talk about iPhone 6. So it's like it's more stuff like that. You can have so many. I can Facebook packs for it. You know, people can create like 40 weeks ago. I mean, so many stuff you can find in deep web. So torrenting via deep web. I mean, like a lot of people like torrenting. I like to torrent. So um, this is another area you can come in, sign up. You can put your information up. You can somebody give you back a fee. I don't know if they update this inter exchange daily basis, but you can always check it out. It's not. It's don't just go crazy. You know, general discussion, not content, stuff like that. So science. So that's this inter exchange website. Um, if you have any question, just leave our information in likening group, send us some information, likening group at gmail.com, or you can also leave us a message in our YouTube account or Facebook account as well. You can also send us some information Twitter. um, we're just trying to share how to get to the deep web. Don't go crazy. They say go to Pirate Bear torrent deep website. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I ain't gonna waste my time on it because it's so hard for you to grab a torrent from the deep web. It's gonna take forever to upload, to download, you know. And trust me, you wanna sit out here downloading a, a 2 gig for 25 years. So there's more websites that's that you can go to that's got a lot of information. Be careful while you go click on it. You know, so I'm gonna say farewell. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe to my page. Um, I'll be coming out with more videos. How to go to different sites. How to read libraries. You got a lot of libraries in the deep web as well that you can get a lot of information from. Um, Forum and chat. You know, I mean blogs, hosting, market, commercial, financial stuff like that. I mean, so much information. The deep web is deep. Be careful how you access it. And I'm gonna be saying farewell. And you have a good day.